Today, I'll walk you through how to optimize Power by Report performance, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Power by reports so you can present data more effectively and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Power by Desktop. This is your main workspace where you'll create and optimize your reports. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout, but the core functions remain the same. Now, it's essential to ensure that every visual presentation of each data set is segregated by page. Think of this like organizing a bookshelf. Each page is a different section that houses specific information. This keeps your report clean and easy to navigate. Next, you can add multiple pages and rename each page based on the data it contains. This is similar to labeling folders in a filing cabinet. Clear labels help you find what you need quickly. Once your pages are set up, focus on making your visual presentation neatly arranged. This means resizing each visual and organizing it on your canvas. A well-organized report is like a well-arranged room. It makes it easier for your audience to absorb the information. As you arrange your visuals, ensure that the data you're presenting is clear and not overwhelming. Avoid cluttering your report with too much information. Instead, choose only the important data that tells your story effectively. To enhance the visual appeal of your report, consider setting themes. Click on the View tab and choose from the available themes or customize your own based on your preference. This is akin to choosing a color scheme for a room. Different themes can evoke different feelings and make your report more engaging. Additionally, you can add a background to your canvas. To do this, click on Format Your Report page in the visualization pane on the right side of the screen. A well-chosen background can enhance the overall look of your report, making it more inviting for viewers. As we wrap up, remember that optimizing your Power by Report performance is all about clarity and organization. By following these steps, you can create reports that are not only visually appealing, but also effective in conveying your message. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.